Hello there, guys.
28
How are you there? Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever you are.
We need counterweight.
I hope you're all doing fine. Let's do this, friends. I am lifting the beam. And we are going to
Hello, my friend. Do you hear me?
fit up this beam.
Shadow?
So what we are doing now is, before we will erect it to the top, we need to assemble first in the ground.
Tell this,
So this is number 4, the fourth piece of this structure. This is a column. This is the fourth.
hello?
The weight is 800 kilograms.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Because you know, guys, this is very easy task to assemble in the ground and then put it at the top. It's an easy task compared to one by one assemble or erect it in a top of the pipe rack. So yes, we are doing a pipe rack. This structure is for pipe rack. So they are ready. I'm hoisting down so they can fix it to the beam and put the bolts. The rigger is giving me a signal. Slowly wire down. Slowly wire down.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Thank you very much.